As seen on. Our awesome hard wax warmer kit has been featured on CBS News, ABC, NBC and Cosmopolitan. Great for Brazilian waxing. Our scented waxes are tough on hair whilst being soft on skin, making it perfect for sensitive areas such as Brazilian or underarm waxing. Everything you need for waxing. Save money with our all-in-one wax warmer for hair removal kit. Our complete kit gives the most effective home wax. Alongside the wax warmer with digital display, the kit includes 5 wax bean bags, 20 large 10 small waxing sticks, 1 pre-wax spray and 1 after-wax spray, 5 protective rings and our Wax Like a Pro guide. Dermatologically tested and certified. Our specially formulated hard waxes are dermatologically tested and certified so we can ensure they are safe for all skin types. Our waxes are designed with natural ingredients to be fast melting and have a smoother application. Super easy to use. Our kit includes a pre-wax spray and an after-wax spray to prep and soothe your skin alongside our waxing beginner's best friend, the Wax Like a Pro waxing guide, which has useful tips from practicing estheticians. 24H customer support. Our hard wax kit for hair removal is backed by a support team that answers all your inquiries within 24 hours. Any issue with the home waxing kit will be resolved immediately. That's a promise. Please contact us directly via Amazon. Top reviews from the United States. Best thing I've ever bought. I've been debating on buying a wax kit for years because I didn't want to mess my skin up, being that I'm not a professional, and let me tell you, I should have brought this years ago. It's very simple to use. The instructions in the box definitely tell you what and what not to do.